Good morning students. Welcome to our college YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Suryakant Adate from Sri Mudhai Devi Shikshan Samstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College Devur. Today's presentation is for BSc Part 1st Compulsory English students and presentation topic is Description Part 4th Describing Persons. Describing persons. When you describe a person, you should consider the following things. First, whether the person is a man or a woman, a young boy or a girl or a child. Second, whether the person is young or old or middle aged or a teenager. Third, what sort of face he or she has. Fourth, the word face means the front part of the head, which includes forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, lip, cheeks, chin, etc. Fifth, the hair, mustache, beard should be described in case the person is a man. Sixth, the complexion, the color of the skin, and the build or the physical stature should be described. Seventh, the distinguishing marks, if any, on the face should be pointed out. Eighth, if possible, you can guess about the mood of the person. Ninth, the particulars of the clothes and ornaments, if any, should be mentioned. And the last thing is finally your general impression about the person's appearance should be mentioned. Now study the following description of a young person. He is a young boy with an oblong face. He is 20 years old. He is tall and handsome but thin built. His hair is thick and black and parted at the side. He has a very narrow forehead and with locks of hair dropping on it. There is a cut mark in the right forehead. His eyebrows are also thick. His eyes are small. He has a stubby nose under which little mustache is visible. He has a very sparse beard. His lips are closed and the lower lip is a little thick. He has a short and thick neck and a fair complexion. He has put on a shirt with black and white lining. He looks rather sad and a little worried. Make use of the following words while describing different parts. First, age. A baby, a child, a teenager, young, adult, middle aged, in early 40s, in late 50s, etc. Height and build. Short, tall, of normal height, of medium height, thin, slim, fat, plump, muscular, strongly built, well built. Face. Round, square, oblong, heart shaped, oval shaped, etc. Complexion. Fair, dark, whitish, brownish, light complexioned, good. Hair, in the sense of color, black, brown, gray, streaky, streaked with black and white, light colored. Hairstyle, long, short, bobbed, plaited, closely cut, cropped, combed behind in a ponytail, parted in the middle. In the next slide, we see a person with no hair or not much hair on the scalp is called as bald-headed. A person with black or dark brown hair along with dark eyes and a dark complexion is called as a brunette. Quantity of hair thick, thin, bald, luxuriant, abundant, sparse, etc. Quality of hair straight, curly, wavy, silky, rough, soft, loose, etc. Eyes color black, brown, blue, green, hazel, dark, grey, etc. Eyes shape small, big, large, round, slanting, etc. Eyes can be described using the words like dreamy, glittering, bright, expressive, cheerful, angry looking, etc. Nose short, long, stubby, hooked, uprooted, upturned, straight, protruding, sharp, pointed, etc. And mood sad, angry, funny, serious, cheerful, thoughtful, worried, gloomy, merry, happy, etc. See the following personalities, that is Smita Patil, Arundhati, Pula Deshpande, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In the next slide, we see Sachin Tendulkar, a famous cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite sports person, one of the all time great batsmen in the world. Sachin was born April 24, 1973 in Bombay. Introduced to cricket at the age 11, he was just 16 when he became India's youngest test cricketer. In 2005, he became the first cricketer to score 35 centuries in test play. Sachin is a former Indian cricketer and captain. He is the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international. He is the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. Sachin Tendulkar received the Arjun Award in 1994 for his outstanding sporting achievement. He married with Anjali Mehta in 1995. He received a Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997, India's highest sporting honor, and the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan in 1999 and 2008 respectively. In 2013, Prime Minister Office announced the decision to award him the Bharat Ratna. The next personality is my favorite teacher. Damle Guruji was my favorite teacher at school. He used to teach us English. He could make learning grammar also a very enjoyable class. He used to tell us interesting jokes while teaching. He was sympathetic and quite helpful when we made any mistakes. He was always dressed in a simple manner. He must be about 30 years old. He was slim and about 5 feet and 7 inches tall. He had fair complexion and he sported a thin mustache. He used to smile quite a lot while teaching. I hardly remember him to be angry. He made us speak English, read aloud in the class, and we were never afraid of answering questions in his class. He used to play harmonium very well. In our annual gathering, he used to play and sing also. He was really a wonderful person. And the last personality is the bus conductor I would never forget. Our college is about 2 kilometers away from our city. We have to go to college by a city bus. At 8 o'clock every morning, the buses are mostly crowded. The conductor of our bus was almost always one Mr. Lokhande, and he was the most popular among all the students traveling by the bus. He looked like Raj Kapoor. He had a very fair complexion and he used to be always smiling. He never lost his temper with the passengers. He was very polite with the senior citizens and used to help them. With this, we conclude here. Thank you very much.